The best way to learn is by doing, and welcome to the video service that unlocks and reveals the hidden value in your system. In this video, we're going to focus on SAP's warehouse capacity evaluation and how to quickly understand some of the rules behind each storage type. Steve, why don't you just take us there and tell us more?
Sure, Martin. The warehouse capacity evaluation tool is a hidden gem in the warehouse world. There is a lot of excellent and essential information to unpack, and that can be used to understand all the details and information of each of your storage types. In this video, we will focus on the key features such as capacities, load percentages, and how to view the rules behind each storage type. When I was running a warehouse, one of the first transactions I would start my day with was T-code LX04. LX04, as you can see here, is capacity used per storage type. So the required field here is going to be your warehouse number. And what it'll do is it will look at your capacity amongst many other things in every storage type within your warehouse. So at the time when I was running my warehouse, we were in a state of very, very high capacity and just looking for any breathing room or any available space. T-code LX04 could absolutely be used for that. So if you see here, it breaks down all of your storage types within your warehouse, and it simply shows the description and then occupied versus empty. That percentage is calculated right here next to it in the usage. So that's really how I would utilize it in a high capacity situation, is it shows, oh, okay, I have 70% utilized. I have some breathing room in this storage type. And as you know, storage types have many different storage bins